Hey.
Hey.
Hey, Akira.
Hey.
Akira.
Hey. Hey.
Akira Fudo.
That's all I gotta say.
Guys. So it's Thursday afternoon at Katsucon. We road tripped up today and we spent some time in the room. Yeah, we spent some time in the room and now we're heading downstairs. Here we are in the mirror.
Oh.
Kind of good.
Who are they?
They're Devil Man. So we're heading down. This is my first Katsucon ever. I'm super excited. I hope you guys stay with me through this vlog. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna party. We're gonna look good. There's the gazebo is there.
They love him.
Classic. Okay, I'll check in with you guys later.
Up.
Stop, Rio! You're gonna get in trouble. Stop! You're gonna get in trouble.
Stop, Miki, you're gonna get in trouble. Stop! Stop!
Yeah. Stop, yo! You're gonna get in trouble. Stop! Yo, you're gonna get in trouble.
Stop, Akira. You're gonna get in trouble. Stop.
Way tears bright I cry. The good and the bad times, sleeping through them all. Rain cries when I fall. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Would you by my side? 'Cause every time we touch.
ねるのちゃん、ねるのちゃん、ねるのちゃんが持ってる赤いキャンディー、青いキャンディー知ってるかい。
Hi everyone, it is Friday morning. We are in the atrium level of the Gaylord Hotel for Katsucon. We're here and we were here yesterday for day 0. Today is day 1 and we're out here. There are plants, there are people, there's Melmo. Love it. Naraku also.
She says, can I? Hello.
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 Peace.
Okay. All right. All right.
I'll let you guys know when other things happen.
Hello.
Hey guys, so we're in our second costumes of the day. It's Friday. We got bored pretty quickly in the first ones actually.
They're bored.
So it's only probably around 12:30 or so. It's 1. It's
Yep.
about 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
And we're heading back down to the con in Dirty Pear. Naraku is still him. Hello. We have Max.
Oh, hi.
What's up?
I'm holding all my armor because of
Love it.
We love it. We love armor. We love it all. But okay, we're going down. Wow.
Wow, doll. Wow, doll.
Wow, she looks great.
Love her. We love a doll.
Good stuff. Carrie?
I won't hesitate, bitch.
There they are. There they are. There they are. There they motherfucking are. I won't hesitate, bitch. I won't hesitate, bitch.
I won't hesitate, bitch.
Hello.
hit 7, please.
Hello. Hello.
7, 10. 10?
Oh.
Chump, chump, chump.
A rat chomp.
No, it's not what you're thinking. I won't hesitate, bitch.
Just making sure. I just want to get
So it's still Friday afternoon, and it's really it's like this many people
2017?
here
18?
on the bottom floor. How does that make you feel?
Huh?
How How does that make you feel?
How does what make me feel?
The fact that there are this many people.
I hate it, actually.
Yeah?
They need to all go home.
It's so crowded. It's like a beautiful time now. How does that make you feel?
Sad.
Sad. Super sad. A cruel God reigns. Like sad. We've got Storm. We've got Lum and Storm. And a cruel God reigns. Oh. Just awful. Just awful. We're gonna go get some Chipotle and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna get the party started and then we're gonna be out here at the convention for the night. We're gonna see how long we can hang and what we can do, and we're gonna have some fun. There'll be some cryptic video clips, so I hope you're all ready for that. I know you'll love it, and I'll see you then.
Wait, I don't like being watched. I'm comfortable.
It's good.
Wait, what do you do?
Bad.
I don't know.
Yeah, you're the pracker. You like,
Yeah, you do this.
and then go ahead.
Sorry.
So you do the pracker and you do the Jeremy. All right. You know his special move. Yeah.
What is happening?
Who
We're
did?
just out here dancing.
Just having a good time.
It's good. Yeah.
It's not gonna fucking fail.
Give us what we asked for.
Ah!
Yes.
Yes! Wow! Wow! Love to see it!
Next bag superstar.
Whoa! Dude, go join him! Go! You have it! You know the dance! Wow! Wow! Yes! Okay! I love it.
Here we are in the Gaylord. Here's Sebastian. Actually, that's not even him. That's Cecil. Ciel. Wow. Wow, he's doing it. He's doing all of it. He's got all of it.
Giving you all of it.
So it's Saturday morning and we're out here. Wow, dark, backlit. So you just look like a creature, like
Oh,
cryptic.
my demon form.
Just a full demon. But yeah, we're here. I'm in Lum. Wow. Wow.
We love a love.
We love a love. We're just enjoying the sights, the scenes, the people, walking around, trying to take some pictures, I guess, and then yeah, we're just out here seeing what's to be seen. This is us in our truest of forms. Me, Lum.
His shorts were all the way down here.
Him,
Oh my
And
god.
the outfit.
Cecil. This is his real form.
There's another seal.
Sebastian, because it's his form. All three of us. These are our classic looks. Like, can't. Say chill! Seal, stop! You're gonna get in trouble. Seal, stop! You're gonna get in trouble.
Lum, stop! You're gonna get in trouble, Lum. Stop!
Stop, Jenny! You're gonna get in trouble. Stop! Jenny, no! You're gonna get in trouble.
I feel like that was like, his name was Victor. Like, I feel like that was the real Victor from the beginning.
Wow.
Like, he had like a little accent. He was a little bit creepy.
Hey guys, so I took a long break from the convention after being down there as Lum, and now I'm in Minmay and we're about ready to head down in a little while, and I'm just really shocked. This is the first time I've actually put the full thing on, like wig and everything, microphone and all, and she just looks so good, and I'm really shocked. I didn't end up putting on as many rhinestones as I wanted to, but you know, whatever. I can always put them on later. It's like a really small thing to do. So you can see I'm like in the window, and as you probably can't see outside, you probably can't even see it, but it's definitely like snowing. It's been snowing for the past couple hours, so that's pretty fun maybe, but just seems cold and miserable to me. And it's not even sticking, so like there are no pretty, I'm like in the window and this keeps hitting me, but there are no good photos to be had like in a nice little snowy area because it's not sticking. So just sucks all around. Don't know how anyone can live in cold climates, but yeah, here she is. We love an eyelash. Oh, looks great.
I won't hesitate, bitch.
I won't hesitate, bitch.
And if I'd have known that,
I won't hesitate, bitch.
愛を夢ないでも戻る最後の Fall in love 二人会ったこの偶然このまま大事にしたいだ手洗うための人はさてるよってこの彼のこの態度ハート乗せて愛を
Wow, Magic Users Club is here. Like, this is a pretty rare. Check them out. They're here. The boys are back in town.
They're here.
Like,
They're $60.
whoa!
Whoa, bitch! That's us!
Oh my god.
I want it!
I want this so much.
Why?
This is so sad. It's so
I want
rare.
it!
Wow, they look so good.
He loves K-pop.
You with the K-pop fucker. Confirmed. We're just checking out the dealer's hall. Wow, something spotted.
Looks kind of good.
Good. Who's this?
Whatever it is, it looks
They
good.
have many items. DJ Turret is here.
This is some rare content. I know some rare content when I see it, but...
Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Whoa.
I know her.
$12 for all
This
of
is,
them.
this is Wingman Man.
Yeah, absolutely it is.
Wow, I
It's
love
only
it.
$12 for all of it. You could like get it.
I kind of want it, actually.
Pretty good stuff.
She
Sounds
looks
familiar,
good.
yeah. Wow.
Country? Wow.
Yeah, some good stuff in here. Rare. Oh, your favorite. This side. Yeah, we actually, your real favorite. It's more expensive than it's
Love it.
Love it. Stop, you! You're gonna get in trouble! Stop! You're gonna get in trouble! Ah! He's exposed.
Oh?
Shit.
Close it up.
Close it up, sister.
He just can't stop
Just dance.
dancing.
Wow, he's so cute.
Throws a whole ass punch.
Okay.
Are you, is it you? Or
It's
is it
you,
us?
it's you. It's
Hello.
you. It's all you. Corey's here.
There's an Ekans here too.
Love it.
Is that Percha at the South African chicken restaurant? South African little baby. we're out here with so many friends. Darcy's here. Emma's here. Even Nadia is here. We're getting
Here, I'll give you a hint.
good old
It's
meal.
Darcy and her boyfriend Josh
Yeah.
and Teresa.
I don't know Teresa.
No,
Nice to-
I think
nice
she just met up with me. She's like my little sister.
You said, aw. I'm sorry. You know, we're here with friends. You haven't seen it. So yeah, we're out here.
Let's go get chicken nuggets.
All right, let's go do it. So I haven't really been vlogging. It's Sunday afternoon. We're not even at the con. We're getting lunch, and we're out here with friends,
Chickening.
and we're chickening ourselves. Time to chicken. Chicken time.
I like brush my ass up against the table.
Yep.
They look in there like, it's fun.
Look.
There we go.
Perfect, actually. All right,
Hello.
it's Sunday night at Katsu. We've been hanging out with these clowns all day, and we've been having such a blast. I think it's about time to wrap everything up and relax. So thanks for joining us on this very cryptic, I have no idea what this vlog is going to look like. We just don't know. There's Yukiko and Enma. We love it. We love to see it. We do. All right. Bye, guys.
Solid slider 夜の指示間に夜の指示